Good morning diri sa amin. Kasi dito sa amin umaga pa lang, 8:00 ng umaga. 8:00 ng umaga, nakikiusap. Bakit walang kamera itong ano ko? Nakakatuwa. Sa aking dalawang viewer, thank you. Good morning from Jeddah. 1 like. Yan. Bakit kaya ganon? Pinrest ko itong video, naging pahaba. Bakit? Um, um, bakit walang kamera? Uy, sinadya mo ba ito? Judge by judge, you're my uptown lover. Skin. Bakit kaya? Orientation is locked. Rotate device. Okay. Okay, i-rotate natin. Sandali. Michelle, hello. Ayan, mega love shout out to you, Tero. Good morning from Jeddah. Hold on. I wonder how come I don't have a picture, or I don't have a what is this? Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. Really, it's not moving. Nakikiusap na lang. Did you see me? Can you comment down if you see me? Because I don't see myself in camera. I mean in screen. Hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko sa screen. Ewan ko kung bakit. Bakit labis kitang mahal? Una kang makita. I'm still have work to do. Bakit ganito? Hindi ako kontento. I'm not contented if I don't see myself in screen. You know? You know? Comment down if you see my face. I mean the live face, not this picture only. Comment down, faster, then I gotta check this. Mm, mm, mm. Comment down below. 2 likes, thank you so much. Tiro, how are you today, Tiro? Oh yeah, what did I do? What? Okay, guys, I need to do my work, guys, huh? While I'm live because ang haba-haba na talaga, ang dami-dami ng araw na hindi na ako nag-update sa aking YouTube. Oh my goodness. You know? Ah, ang orientation day, ang lock day. Ay, okay. Tingnan ko nga.